All right, here we go. Question number 1 from our college algebra homework number 1 in ALEKS. Here they want us to solve the absolute value equation, which says the absolute value of 3n plus 4 equals 6. I'm going to copy this into my scratch work so I can explain everything you need to know about solving an absolute value equation. First step, the absolute value must be isolated. In other words, if you circle the absolute value and see anything outside of that circle on the left-hand side of the equation in this case, then it's not isolated. But we can see that there is nothing outside of the absolute values, but we can see there is nothing outside of the absolute value bars. So the absolute value in this case is isolated. And then we can see what it's equal to. In this case, our absolute value equals a positive number. Now that's going to indicate that we're going to have two solutions. So to find our two solutions, we're going to take the stuff inside the absolute value and set it equal to 6. And we're also going to take the stuff inside the absolute value and set it equal to -6. Let me explain why we do both. The stuff inside the absolute value, if it is 6, notice we're going to get a true statement because the absolute value of 6 is 6. So this would produce a solution. And if we let the stuff inside the absolute value be -6, because absolute value makes the number inside positive, that would also give us a solution. And so this is why the stuff inside the absolute value doesn't change, but what you set it equal to does. And now once we solve both of these equations, we'll have our solutions. And let me get this back. All right, here we go. -4. To get started, to get rid of those 4s, we're going to have 3n equals 2 and divide by the coefficient to finish. That's one of our solutions. And again, if I -4 to both sides, giving me 3n equals. Now -6 and -4 combine to make -10. Dividing by the coefficient gives me -10/3. And that should be our solutions. Going back to ALEKS, since it does say the solution set, we're going to need to use the braces. All right, so entering our solutions, we have 2/3. Don't forget to move over out of the denominator before you put the comma. And then our second solution was -10/3. And I'm going to have to scrunch it to check it and prove that I'm right. So we got the green check, and that's it for this problem. So if you have any questions or comments about anything covered in this video, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.